So yes, all students, a very good afternoon to you all and welcome to Enlightened Educators. So ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ what I can say the this one. Which one? That is the Coulomb's law again, and this is the problem which I have to teach you, and one more problem is there, ಅದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತೆ. So find the force on 100 nu c charge at 003 m if 4 like charges of 20 nu c are located on the x-axis and y-axis at plus or minus 4 meter. So the first thing, so just a minute, I'm very sorry for the distraction. Okay, so now here it is given plus or minus 4 meter, right? So plus or minus 4 meter anta kodovaga, so it is nothing but you have positive and negative axis, right? And the second thing is you can see that there are here what I can say, x and y axis has been mentioned, no z axis. No z axis has been mentioned, so therefore we are going to plot this plus or minus 4 at x and y axis respectively. That is, in the x axis you have positive and negative 4, and on the y axis you have positive and negative 4, right? As you can see here, it is this is what I can say, the z axis. Here it is x axis and y axis. Why we are writing in z axis, plotting z axis, is because as told here it is x and y axis at plus or minus 1 meter, that is 20 nu c charge, right? But here what they've given us, so there is a 100 nu c charge that is present at 003. If you see this coordinates, this is x, y and z. Z is 3 alva. So adukoskara z axis alli now plot ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, and these are all plotted. That is a 400 minus 400 040 and 0 minus 40 in the plot ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, and we are connecting this all this to a single point. Single point ಗೆ ನಾವು connect ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. That is the single point. Wait a minute. That is the single point. Why we are connecting to the single point is because the force on 100 nu c charge, which is equal to the force due to this 20 nu c charges. That is, the 20 nu c ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ? 4 charges ಇದೆ. That is this one, this one, this one and this one. These are all negative x axis and this is negative y axis, right? So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so you have 4 charges of 20 nu c which is causing you to provide a 100 nu c charge. What is 20 into what I can okay, yeah, so 4 charges of 20 nu c are providing you the force on 100 nu c charge. So that is why we are going to connect all these 4 to this particular point. We are going to draw a line from I'm sorry, all these 4 points and connecting it to this point. Okay, yeah. So then the net force at point O, that is 003. This is point O, which is 003. Point O, which is 003 m, is obtained by using superposition principle, as I already told you. So here is F naught bar, which is equal to, that is force on 100 nu c charge. Okay, which is equal to Q naught QA divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into A naught bar the A naught A0. It is A0 bar modulus the whole square into AAO whole bar plus Q naught QB divided by the same thing 4 pi epsilon naught BO bar the modulus whole square and ABO bar and here it is Q naught QC divided by 4 pi epsilon naught C naught bar modulus the whole square into AC naught bar, and here Q naught QD divided by 4 pi epsilon naught DO bar modulus the whole square A D naught whole bar, right? Yeah, N, that N stands for Newton, right? Okay, now here, since given QA is equal to QB is equal to QC is equal to QD is equal to Q, that is 4 ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 20 nu c charge ಅಂತ. See, different charges ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, as you can see here, 4 like charges of 20 nu c as told. Okay, yeah. That is why That is why, so here we are going to take up this as q. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this will become q, 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 q. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಫ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯೂ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4πε0 ಇಂಟು, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂತೆ there is a A naught bar whole modulus and AO bar modulus the whole square. So if you multiply this into this, you will get this AO bar modulus whole cube for all, right? So this, what is that you're going to do is you're going to take up this outside, right? outside ತಗೋಬೇಕಿದ್ದನ್ನ q naught q divided by 4πε0. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ you're going to write this AO bar divided by AO bar modulus whole cube plus BO bar divided by BO bar modulus whole cube plus CO bar divided by CO bar modulus whole cube plus DO bar divided by DO modulus whole cube, right? Okay. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, so we have found out AO bar ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, BO bar ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, CO bar ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, DO bar ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And what is that going to happen is that we get this, what I can say, AO bar modulus and BO bar modulus and CO bar modulus and what I can say DO bar modulus ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ what is that we are going to get it as, that is AO bar ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ that is equal to this 4 into 4 plus 0, this 0 plus 0, this 0 plus 3. So we are going to get it as what? So we are going to get it as 4AX, what I can say, plus 3AZ. 4AX plus 3AZ. ಅದೇ ಥರ B ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, what is that? You are going to get it as 4AY plus 3AZ. See here, this is 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 and 0 plus 3 is 3, 3AZ. Right? Okay. And this is A naught bar, B naught bar, C naught bar ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so C is what? C is this. So minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4. So this is 0 plus 3 is 3. So it is minus 4AX plus 3AZ. Once again, if you take D naught ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ D ಇದಲ್ವಾ. So minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4. 0 plus 3 is 3. ಇದೆರಡು 0. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. So once again, it is nothing but minus 4AY plus 3AZ. ಏನಂದು, this is A naught 4AX plus 3AZ. This is B naught bar, that BO bar, AO bar, BO bar, I'm sorry. BO bar is 4AY plus 3AZ. CO bar is minus 4AX plus 3AZ. DO bar is minus 4AY plus 3AZ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 16 ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್, what I can, the 4 square is 16. Okay, 4 square is 16. This 4 square, this 3 square, 16 plus 9. So 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. Root of 25 is 5 alva. The same thing happened to takes place for all, because here it is 4. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Root of 25 is 5. Here also it is 16 plus 9. So in minus 4 idru kuda, when you square it, minus of minus plus tane, right? Yeah. And here also it is once again 16. Here also it's once again 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Root of 25 is 5. And 16 plus 9 is 25. Root of 25 is 5. So again agutte, this thing, this A naught bar, AO bar modulus, BO bar modulus, CO bar modulus, DO bar modulus. We are not considering the cube. All are 5 alva. So hangandre, then all these are the same, right? We can write it in any one of the terminology. Say we can write it as AO bar modulus is equal to BO bar modulus is equal to CO bar modulus is equal to DO bar modulus ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we represent it in terms of AO bar. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AO bar whole cube ನ ಆಚೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, right? Okay. Now AO bar whole cube ಅಂದರೆ it is nothing but 5 cube ಅಷ್ಟೇ. right? Now substitute q naught as how much? 100. This 100 nu and 20 nu, that is q 20 nu, and into 9 into 10 to the power of 9, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9, the another easiest method, right? And here it is 5 cube. So 5 cube, this AO bar whole cube, which is equal to 5 cube. So just a minute, I'm so sorry for the distraction. Yes, okay. Yeah. So now, so here it is what? See, the same thing we have written, right? Okay. So here no minus. See, 4ax plus 3az minus 4ay. What I can say, plus 3az plus 4ax plus 3az and plus 4ay plus 3az. Here it is minus, they have written it in an order. So AO, right? It is AO, BO, CO and DO. They have written it like this. Okay, now, and then now what is that going to happen is that, so just a minute, I have give 2 minutes of time. So yeah, students, so yeah, here it is minus 4ax plus 3az minus 4ay plus 3az and plus 4ax plus 3az and plus 4ay plus 3az. If you just take all these things, so you're going to get it as 12az as a result. Either 12az as a result, and then here you're going to get 0.144. and so here 144 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0.144 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. and ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು this part will be like say it is this in AO bar, BO bar, CO bar, DO bar ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? yeah. and now here you're going to get it as 0.144. this is 12az if you cancel few of the things inside here, right? okay, so ಏನೇನು cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? so here it is what I can say, this and this will get cancelled, and this is minus 4ay, right? This and this will get cancelled. Only you get 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12az sigutte, so 12az. So if you multiply this, you are going to get it as 1.728 az. This is what is the resultant. Hope you got it. yeah. So this is what is for this particular problem. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ. and when you are drawing this diagram, please to make sure that you just mark it for 4 only in the proper manner. ಆಯ್ತಾ? 4ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 4ಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ 0 1 2 3 4 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 4ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಲಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಳತೆಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಲಿಚಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೊಂದಾದರೆ ಆಯಿತು. then we'll move on to electric field intensity. I don't take much time for electric field intensity because as I told you the formula as carried is the same. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ನಾವು ಒಂಚೂರು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣಂತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೂನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ನೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೇಡ. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನೇ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಒಂದು ಇದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಾಟ್ ವೈ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಬೋರಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ತುಂಬ ನಾನು ಲೆಂತಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಒಂಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಎನಿಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಔಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫೇಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.